Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on BMW 389, E90 and E91. First we start by removing this air intake panel, and now we have access to the serpentine belt. In order to remove the serpentine belt, we need to loosen the tensioner. This is the bolt that we're gonna turn so that we can loosen the tensioner. I'm gonna put the pin in there so that when we turn the tensioner, we put the pin in and the tensioner will stay in one place with the belt. Here you can see where I've put the pin in and with the tensioner turned, and now the belt is loose. Now we can remove the belt and put on the new belt. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up.